In this video, let's understand what is Azure SQL. Azure SQL Database is a relational database as service hosted in Azure that falls into the industry category of platform as service. With the SQL Server, you can use built-in features and functionality that requires extensive configuration, either on-premises or in Azure Virtual Machine. When using SQL Database, you pay as you go with options to scale up or out for greater power with no interruption. SQL Database has some additional features that are not available in SQL Server, such as built-in high availability, intelligence, and management. Azure SQL Database offers the following deployment options: as a single database with its own set of resources managed via logical SQL Server. A single database is similar to a contained database in SQL Server. This option is optimized for modern application development of new cloud-born applications. Hyperscale and serverless options are available. An elastic pool, which is a collection of databases with the shared set of resources managed via logical SQL Server. Single databases can be moved into and out of elastic pool. This option is optimized for modern application development of new cloud-born applications using the multi-tenant SaaS application pattern. Elastic pools provide a cost-effective solution for managing the performance of multiple databases that have available SAGE patterns.